Welcome back to another episode of Top Tech Growth Hacks. I'm Alex.
And I'm Jamie. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that can make or break a startup: minimum viable product development, specifically choosing the right partner for it.
It's so crucial, Jamie. You hear it all the time. Startups failing not because their idea was bad, but because they spent a year and a half and 6 figures building something nobody actually wanted. That's a brutal way to go out.
Absolutely. An MVP isn't just a basic prototype you apologize for in investor meetings. It's a strategic weapon. It's the fastest way to prove your concept, attract capital, and essentially beat competitors who are still stuck debating your feature roadmap.
Exactly. But here's the kicker. The company you choose to build that MVP determines whether that weapon fires or completely backfires. Not every development shop gets it. Many will happily burn through your runway adding features that feel important but don't actually move the needle.
That's where the right partners come in. The article we're referencing highlights firms that operate differently. They push back on scope creep, they architect for scale from day one, and they treat your budget like it's their own.
It's not just about translating wireframes into code, is it? The best MVP partners act more like a fractional CTO. They challenge assumptions, they flag technical risks before they become 6-figure problems, and they draw a hard line between must-have and nice-to-have.
That's such a critical distinction. You're not just buying development hours, you're buying judgment. Strategic product thinking, scalable architecture, baked-in compliance and security, realistic timelines, these are all things a great partner brings to the table.
So let's talk about some of these standout companies. For instance, if you're a startup in a heavily regulated industry like healthcare or fintech, Glorium Technologies, based in New Jersey, really shines. They specialize in compliance-ready MVPs with all the necessary certifications.
That's a huge differentiator. And for those budget-conscious startups needing speed without sacrificing quality, NetGuru out of Poland is fantastic. They can go from concept to working prototype in just 6 to 8 weeks with their workshop-based approach.
Then you have Codal, based in Chicago, which is perfect for startups targeting enterprise customers or building complex B2B platforms. They bring an enterprise-grade polish to early-stage products, having worked with giants like United Airlines and Pepsi.
And for non-technical founders, which there are many, Sumato Soft is a true technical partner. They don't just execute a spec, they advise on the best approach, challenge assumptions, and guide decision-making every step of the way. That's invaluable.
Absolutely. If your product is consumer-facing and UX drives adoption, California-based Cheesecake Labs is a great fit. They build products that don't feel like MVPs, combining strong product strategy with polished design.
And for first-time founders, Alter.io, with teams in the USA and Portugal, focuses heavily on validating ideas even before writing a single line of code. This philosophy can save founders from really expensive wrong turns.
Finally, Bakkency Technology offers incredible flexibility, especially with team augmentation. Startups can scale their technical capacity up or down based on current needs and remaining runway, which is a huge advantage for managing burn rate.
It really comes down to aligning the development partner with your specific constraints, whether it's your regulatory environment, budget, technical complexity, or how much strategic guidance you need. Every company on this list can ship a competent MVP, but the right fit is everything.
Precisely. It's about making sure your MVP is truly a strategic weapon that propels you forward, not a project that drains your resources. Choosing wisely is one of the biggest growth hacks out there.
Couldn't agree more, Alex. Thanks for tuning in to Top Tech Growth Hacks.
We'll catch you next time on Top Tech Growth Hacks.